Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 6th of November around 10:40 p.m. Eastern Times. And here we go guys with another Charts of the Day video. Today we're going to take a look at oil. But before we jump, this is what the Charts of the Day is. It's a session in Elliott Wave Forecast that we posted every day providing followers around the world our honest opinion about an instrument that we cover. Like I said, today we're going to take a look at oil. Oil's been in a downtrend for about 2 or 3 years, and we're expecting the downtrend to continue. It's corrective, so that means that the overall trend remains to the upside and bullish, but this decline in oil over the last few years is an opportunity to buy. Now, at this stage, I don't like buying oil still. I like to see a little more downside before the huge rally happening in the commodity. This is the daily view, and the decline from this peak that happens to be June of this year is in 3 weeks. But the oil reacted higher here. Zooming into that reaction, this is how it looks like. It looks impulsive, and this is how we see it in 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our expectation is oil is that most likely is gonna hold this low due to the 5 weeks, and that oil is gonna rally to around an area more or less around 64, 66 dollar. So that's our expectation. The decline saying the 1 hour peak here looks to be corrective. Also, A, B, C, that makes W, a flat in the middle, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should do a 6 and a 7, and by tomorrow we might see oil reaching an area around, I would say around 58, 56. From there we can see this rally in oil to the selling opportunity in the 1 hour, 4 hour charts. Surprise is that oil break this low. If that is the case, then the ready grid will become 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and still we're gonna see a rally. So we see oil within the next week or two, most likely sideways and supported before the downside continue. So overall, the main thing is that oil here looks like it did 5 weeks from the lows. Now in the corrective pullback, it looks very well channeling here. You guys can see it looks very well channeling right here. And I'm expecting a break to the upside to find a peak before more downside in the commodity. So that's our view in oil. If you like the video, please join us. As we always say, you can take here the 14 days trial just for $9.99 for 99 cents. We're gonna soon to remove this trial for 99 cents, and you can enjoy our view in 78 instruments. Have a good night, everyone. Hope to see you guys around. Have a good night.